So there are things engifuna ukuthi this is cover about the kingdom of darkness, and then also nokuthi ama prayers wabazalwane abaluleke kanjani, and why fanele sithandaze, nokuthi in the kingdom of darkness ama prayers avinjwa njani noma atshontshwa njani. And then emhlabeni futhi ngangiphila, so ngangiphila physically, ngangikhona emhlabeni, emoyeni ngangikhona as a Christian Satanist, ngangikhona nasemanzini la ngangiboshwe khona, la kwakuphila khona kubanjwe imihlangano, uSathane banomhlangano sobambela khona lenzansi emanzini. So and for those 13 years I was in that kingdom, saving the kingdom of darkness, saving the devil. Okunye esasukwenza ke not only to kuvimba noma ukudisturb the prayers of the Christian, the other thing that besiyenza ukuspread, because there is a department esibiza ukuthi is a department of destruction, and wazi ukuthi you are the one owenzile ohambile wa spread that virus keep wazi ashone angene phansi ethuneni. Sasikwenza lokho, and sasisetshenziswa uSathane. It's not like sasithanda kodwa sasebenzela uSathane embusweni wakhe, kwenzeka lokho, but uNkulunkulu wasiza. That is why mangicala ngithe aspreach uSathane kodwa si preach ukuthi uNkulunkulu usizile
wasibuya kuphi
nokuthi umbuso kaSathane.
Welcome to the Dobe Show. Of course, I could buy it on Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show. Even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Kanda. I do one story at the time and one testimony at the time. If you're new to the channel, where have you been? Please subscribe, press the notification bell, as well as join the membership. We really appreciate that, and don't skip the ads. They helps a lot. Thank you so much to those who are doing that. Highly appreciated. May the Lord bless you. Otherwise, our details shown after the disclaimer. If you want to donate, please do so. It really helps a lot of families as well as a lot of children. So please do that. We need it, especially this December. We want to help a lot of families, as well as January. We want to take back kids with brand new shoes. Then we're gonna make it as a brand new day. Otherwise, James, how are you on grace?
We on grace. It's God's
on
time.
Grace?
It's God's time.
Yeah, thank you, boss. Ngiyangcengela bese ngifuna amabonus. Ekanda.
Hayi.
Sesiyamncenga manje sifuna amabonus. Yeah, thank you so much, boss.
Hayi siyabonga.
Hey, boss engathi awungeneki nje namhlanje.
Siyabonga.
Hey, ukhuluma nesizulu impela.
Shaka ama one way.
Hey, ngesithole le card. Okay. Hey, siya sharp hey. Angabe ngamqwadisa umphethe kahle. UDecember ngomphethe kahle, ngomphethe ngohlelo. Etata lithini ixesha.
Hayi ixesha likaThixo.
Yeah, today is a testimony time.
Yeah, hayi. Can't wait. Yazi mina ngiyazithanda ke istory, uyazi.
Yeah, I always tell you stories. Ngize ngoqambela amanga ujabule esengikubile ngize ngikhuza ukuthi awuthi nginciphisa
inokuqamba amanga ngithi ayi vele sengiqambela amanga yazi bese ya confess tubeli
uzokumjabulisa nje.
My brother, welcome to the show. Thank you so much for coming. I've been trying to get hold of you, and bekungekho easy ukuthi ngithole nawe bewubusy ngomsebenzi kaNkulunkulu. Siyabonga kakhulu. And ngifuna ukubonga na kwi-Kora to Media ubaba uShabangu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu my brother for ukuthi anginike nama number akhe ngikhona ukukhuluma nawe.
Amen.
Yes. So my brother, without wasting any time, please introduce yourself and let's get into your testimony. I'm sure people are waiting at home.
Yeah, no, siyabonga bazalwane. It's been we've been struggling to get hold of each other, but anyway, uNkulunkulu lenzile ithuba ukuthi siphinde sihlangane to share the testimony. Abakangazi ke ngumfundisi William Giane Mashiane. I'm from Limpopo province, There's a place called Belabila. I'm from Belabila. but I was originally born from Mpumalanga, place called Brongospruit. Bonkangala, Boverina, indawo zonke lezo engikhulele kizo. So I then moved in 2007 ngaya eBilabila, where I'm at right now.
Yabona iBilabila ikhekdini masiBilabila. Ekhanda.
No, it's
Phela.
I think it's 100 and something kilometers, 120 or 150.
Same as Rusty.
Yeah.
Kwaje ngihamba nawe kune guest house na. But no akusi okay. Yeah, no ngaqhubeka my brother.
Yeah, siyabonga ke bazalwane. So before ngicala ngetestimony because the previous one bengiyenzile ku quarter to made abantu bebacabanga ukuthi mhlambe sidumisa uSathane noma siphakamisa igama lika Sathane, but I want to correct that one. Asiselanga ukuphakamisa igama lika Sathane. uNkulunkulu siyohlala simdumisa and uJesu uyohlala ayinkosi. Ngikho size la uzokhuluma ngamandla obubi noma uSathana akwenzawo empilweni zabantwana bakaNkulunkulu. So there are things engifuna ukuthi sizikhavare about the kingdom of darkness, and then also nokuthi ama prayers wabazalwane abaluleke kanjani and why fanele sithandaze, nokuthi in the kingdom of darkness ama prayers avinjwa njani noma atshontshwa njani, nokuthi ibusiso zabazalwane isitshontshwa njani, nokuthi umbuso kaSathane ahlahle unjani. So if isithole ichances zozichaza zonke lezi zinto lezo ngokusizwa uNkulunkulu. Amen.
Amen.
Bese ngishilo kubazalwane ukuthi mina nginguWilliam, mfundisi William Gianna Mashiana. But before I became a pastor, bengi devil worshipper, or I am an ex-devil worshipper. Ngiseve uSathane for about 13 years, from 2001 to 2013. So I was a devil worshipper. So masizela nje sizokhuluma ngeimfihlo ezenzeka embusweni kaSathane. Nokuthi uma uNkulunkulu athandile sizawukhuluma ngama departments akhona, sokhuluma ngamagama ama demons atholakala embusweni kaSathane, maybe on part 2 part 3, but now let me just ngikhulume ukuthi ngangena njani embusweni kaSathane and ngaphuma njani bese seyivala. Amen. Mina originally ke ngokholwa ngisindisiwe, ngingathi ngisindisiwe, ngisasindisiwe. So but because there was a break kusuka ngo2001 ufika ngo2013, mina ngicale ukholwa ngo1998, ngisindiselwa ebandleni abayibiza ukuthi ibandla leka Jesu Kristu, Church of Jesus Christ. Under the founder of the church was Pastor Mamba, wabomfundisi uMasango, wabomfundisi uMalepe, wabomfundisi uSkhosana, umfundisi Aaron Opajele, yibo abafundisi bebakhona kule bandla uMasanabo. So ukusindiswa kwami ke ngachubeka ngikhonza ebranchini yaseVerina under umfundisi uNkambule, bamiza ukuthi umfundisi uNkambule ebandleni laseVerina. And then ukuchubeka kwami njalo ke ngangiyinsizwa ke ethanda umthandazo kakhulu. I used to spend some sleepless night ngithandaza every day from 12 in the midnight ufika ngo5 ekuseni. I will spend some time ngithandaza, and I used to fast and pray because ngomthandazo ngangafundisekanga, ngangazi ukuthi, but bengithanda nje ukuthandaza. So I will just explain that uma sesifika ngalo ukuthi umthandazo idamage oyenzayo uma sithandaza embusweni kaSathane kwenzakalani. But mina bengithandaza ngoba bengithanda ukuthandaza. I used to go ehlane ngiyothandaza, ngizila ukudla. I remember before ngijoin umbuso kaSathane ngithathe like 14, actually bengifuna ukuthatha 40 days fasting because I was very hungry for God. Ngifuna ukwazi uNkulunkulu nje ekujuleni kwakhe. Ngakhuleka ke is a dry fasting. Angizli angiphuza amanzi. kwenzeka ukuthi mangithanda day number 7 it was now very difficult because mengasaphuzi kangasadli and I was starting to be very weak, but ngachubeka nayo inkonzo ufika ngo day number 13. Day number 13 bese ekhaya babiza umfundisi bathi hayi phela insizwa seyasishiya manje because this person salangena eroomini sale for past 7 days or 13 days akaphumi and akakhulumi because I was weak ngasakhona ubona. Umfundisi waseweza wathi hayi manje ke inkonzo brother we know ukuthi uyakuthanda ukuthandaza incamule lenkonzo because izogcina ikubulala. Then ngenza njalo ngayincamula inkonzo zangisachubeka nayo because I was, but what I saw ngangifuna ukubona, ngangikhalela nje ukubona uNkulunkulu like uMoses athi inkosi ngifuna ukubwazi, ngifuna ukubona. Lethi iBhayibheli uNkulunkulu wathi Moses akekho ngangibona aphile, but engakwenzela khona I can do you a favor ukuthi ngikubeke emadwaleni or ematsheni uma ngidlula akhona ubona umhlane wami. Ngangikhalela into esifana nezinkosi. I know iBhayibheli ngifundile, ngiyazi ukuthi kunama miracles enza kwa iBhayibhelini, but mina ngifuna ukuba na this personal experience nawe, ngifuna ukukwazi. So that was my cry, ukhalela uNkulunkulu kakhulu. So then kwenzeka ke ukuthi ke inkonzo ngiyincamule by the time ngisese ku grade 12 and then 2001 kulake ngakhona ngathola umsebenzi endaweni wayibiza ukuthi Bronkhorstspruit Park Hotel. Ngasebenza as a barman there ePark Hotel eBronkhorstspruit. So when I worked there enkonzweni ngavalelisa, but before kuvalelisa ngangihluthwa indaba yobizo because every time ngangitshela ukuthi mfundisi yazi angazi ukuthi ubizo lihamba kanjani, but I always see myself preaching, I always see myself praying for people phethe iBhayibheli ngikupulpit athi no leyo indaba yobizo. And then athi no ngizayihandle, but before sisa because ibandla kunama sibiza ukuthi local branch, and then bekulaba abomalebe nabomfundisi uMasango ibo bebaphezulu bathi esizocala la esigodini sise ku circuit, and then if I approve ku circuit so ithatha sise national for indaba yakho yobizo because ubizo ayisinto esingayivimbayo, right. Ngamnikeza le task lomfundisi, but lokho le ndaba ukubizo inhlupha ngaqhubeka ke mina ngayokusebenza eTown, but ngavalelisa ukuthi ngizoba scarce this side because ngithole umsebenzi eTown, right. Mase ngibuyele emuva after some times, I think after 3 or 4 weeks bangifike ebranchini bathi insizwa umfundisi angibizele eceleni athi hayi actually waqala wakhuluma ebandleni ukuthi insiza uWilliam sizommisa kancane enkonzweni, wakhuluma njalo somisa kancane enkonzweni kukhona esakuphenyisisayo, right. To my surprise inkonzo mayiphuma angitshela athi hayi sizongumisa kancane insizwa awusavumeleki ukuthi uze enkonzweni uhlale ekhaya uyancunywa as from today. And I was very surprised to say zange ngabuza ukuthi why imfundiso wathi no kukhona esakufunisisayo. And from that day onwards my life was very terrible, but because I used to pray ngingazi ukuthi actually this it was a trap from the devil. So I ngiqhubeke ke mina ke ngisebenzele ngale ngapha enkonzweni ngicoshiwe. And you must remember ukuthi the Church of Jesus Christ it's ibandla eli ukuthi uma uphumekile you believe ukuthi there's no any other church that you can fellowship in, because the Church of Jesus Christ ile elikhuluma ngobungcwele, awugcoka amacici, awufaki ibhluwe, awufaka ama-weave. As a brother awugcoka even a vest, uma bangathi ugcoka ivest bangakuncumela ukuthi wayugcoka ivest, awufaka ama-chap awufaka i-short pen. So and because that from original bengibuya kuphi eZCC, so bekuyibandla lokucala lensindiso engilazi, and isifundo sakhona yilese engangisithatha ukuthi hayi ibandla leka Jesu yilo lodwa eliyezulwini, akusena elinye ibandla eliyezulwini, and we believe that. So but lona as I explain later on ukuthi Church of Jesus Christ yezulwini noma all other churches siya ezulwini na. I will explain that one. So but mina benginale vela ayisho ukuthi sekuphelile ngami because enkonzweni engicoshiwe angisakholwa and akunale ibandla engafellowshipha nalo because ibandla yilo kuphela eliya ezulwini ngendlela sasifundiswe ngalo. Ukuseqhubeke njalo uma ngise hoteleni there was this other lady by the name of Charmaine bekayi a colored lady or an African lady or African whatever. So bekayi colored la besihlala ehotela emuva kwama ehotela bekunama room if usebenza khona ucasha khona uhlala khona uyabhadala not only for us besihlala khona abanye bebasebenza kuma Shoprite basebenza ku Pick n Pay bebeza bacashe lapha bahlale khona. And there was this other lady uRuth uhlala eWheatbank bekahlala khona lapha. So then bebangena isikole by the time I think they were begenza imatric na this lady bambiza uthi uBelinda, not Belinda, I mean uCharmaine bebenza imatric. So this lady besazana from that side ehoteleni because wathanda ukuza ngale bar lokho siyakhuluma and abe interested ukuthi ufuna ukungazi more. Ngimtshela no mina ngisindisiwe umzalwane ngiyakholwa nginsizwa ngithanda ukuphila impilo engcwele ngithanda uNkulunkulu. So naye wathi hayi nami ngiyakholwa nami ngisindisiwe ekhaya we are a Christian family baba no mama they are Christians so nathi ekhaya sonke singaba Kristu. So she started to make friendship nami ukuthi ufuna ungazi better. And to my surprise I was not aware ukuthi it was a trap from the kingdom of darkness. So there was a time now this lady athi no man bekalokeza elangihlala khona but angalali lokeza ngihlala khona angalali. This other day it was Friday at no man today angibuyele ekhaya ngicela ukuthi ngizolala la. Right? No ngithi okay anginankingi. You can sleep over but when alala kuphi uzolala embedeni mina ngizolala kuphi ngizolala phansi. Ayisivumelane njalo. And she was also yena beku somebody uphuza iwine and nokubhema bekabhema but that I'm a Christian. So this person who is a trap ukuthi today this man simfuna phansi. Kwenzeke konke lokho kwenzakako isikhathi sokulala ke manje athi no ungalali phansi asihlale sonke embedeni akukho kuzokwenzeka. So I know ukuthi I brother and remember by that time insizwa my background ukholwa I don't know if insizwa sibiza ukuthi virgin or in but insizwa nsi
ongakazi umbona umuntu enqunu
azange umbone umuntu enqunu azange uze umthinte. So I was from that kind of a background.
Wow. So mdala kodwa.
No, I think I was 21 or 22.
I was mdala.
Yeah, asengikhulile nje kakhulu. Ngithi manje ibackground esibuya kiyo ukholwa holiness and akukho engibandlele ke even no sister mongakhuluma no sister abocosha inkonzo kodwa ayikhulumisa no sister. Ukhulumisa usister awubingelela usister awubamba usister ngesandla. It was very nasenkonzweni manhlala the sitting arrangement. Insizwa nihlala one side nabo baba umama bahlala one side. And so it means vele indaba yo basethuze neskirt it was not allowed. So we are from that background. So okwenza lo busuku lo ukuthi the trap usathane wa manager ukuthi this lady angimanipulate and she led me to one action to another action, one action to another action and ngagcina ngiwile sibiza ukuthi ukuwake ngawa naye le ntombazane leyo. But I cried in my heart. I cried so much after all the prayers that I've made before you, all the prayers saying izenzile nempilo engiphilile ngawa kabuhlungu kanje. So makwenzeka lokho it was beku Friday. Saturday night, the following night, I had a visit or I had an attack. I thought I was just dreaming. And one of this guy uzile athi no sizile sikulandile. It's a dream. Sizile sikulandile and then who are you? Athi no I'm a Lucifer, I'm the devil. Angizile ngizokuthatha. So ngithatha why? athi sikufunile siyabonga manje sesikutholile. As from today awusasebenzela umbuso kaNkuluNkulu, uzosebenzela umbuso wami. Konke lokho kwenzeka ngilele isephupheni. From that time uya phambili. Uma sengizibona ke the following day Sunday ngizibona manje ngisemanzini like ngaphansi kwamanzi. Ngiboshiwe. It's like I'm in a small prison. But on the other side ngamonga u left na ku right ama room but indlu yakhona yakhiwe izindlu ezihle nje zakhiwe ngama glass. So mawubona ngapha ubona abantu baboshiwe. Ubona ngapha abantu baboshiwe on ngaphambi kwakho abantu baboshiwe bagcwele la izindlu lezi. Ngaphaka sathana this is going to be your home from now. Ukuchubeka kuya phambili. Ula uzosebenzela khona. So but in my heart I was crying. Ngakhala kakhulu uNkulunkulu engikhala isikhathi eside kakhulu uNkulunkulu ngimkhala uNkulunkulu. I was not only a young man go a Church of Christ, there were a lot of other young men, especially more branching into. But why ukhethwe mina ukuthi mina I must be a sacrifice or ngilahlekele impilo? Because remember mawukholwa noma mawinsizwa uba another thing uthi no ngifuna ukuthi mangene emshadweni ngingene ngisese ngiphelele ngithole intombi esaphelele sicale umuzi siphelele suthi konke nje you are planning around those things. Sorry, I want to be faithful ukuqhubeka lapha, I want to be faithful as a husband qhubeke kanjalo. But for me things amatafula a change nje kakhulu. It was my life asike yaba simple from that time onwards because ngangisebenzela uSatan. And every time when I think about those things I always cry. Even today I also cry with mara uNkulunkulu why wawunyekelele ngiyongena ebusweni kaSatan. But on the other hand ngithi uNkulunkulu ngiyambonga ukuthi wayekela ukuthi ngene ngiphume ngibuye ngizokhuluma ukuthi kunombuso esibiza ukuthi umbuso kaSatan. And umbuso kaSatan umbuso olwa nabantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Umbuso kaSatan umbuso olwa nama prayers wabantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Because lesikhathi ngisese ngapha ngingakangena umbusweni kaSatan ngangispend isikhathi ngithandaza. And mase ngifike umbusweni kaSatan I was shown kunezindlu eziningi but lezi like they are vandalized. Ezinye zinama roof, ezinye zinama festere, it's like a lokish. But this is empty. We want to vele kudala ungasahlali abantu in these houses. And I asked uSatan with the manje la why these other houses are empty. Ati you see these houses la behlala khona ama demon. So but because of the prayers bezenziwa emhlabeni and those prayers when they come into the kingdom of darkness these are like a bomb or hand grenade ziyashaya ma demon abaleka la unye khona la unye labana la i warehouse where the what to call the blessings and the prayers of the Christian are stored ziyavaleka. So if a Christian you pray like uthandaza ngalesikhathi ofuna uthandaza ngaso some of the things zakho ziyabanjwa, uthandaza yakho yabanjwa, uthandaza yakho yavinjwa. That is why we told ukuthi manje most of the Christian baluza ihope ukuthi indaba kaNkulunkulu ayikho, indaba kaNkulunkulu ayiphili. And most of the people now they are preferring ukuthi it's better ngihambe ngesangomeni ngihambe ngenyangeni bazonginikeza something because le ndaba kaNkulunkulu ukuthi siphila ngegazi lika Jesu awutholi nix no ayisebenzi. It's because ukuthi the prayers that we are making in the kingdom of darkness ayavinjwa lama prayers. It's where that's I was operating in the sky which we call it the demon city, and are also operating under the sea la where the kingdom of heaven the kingdom of the enemy of the throne of Satan ikhona. And then emhlabeni futhi ngangiphila, so ngangiphila physically ngangikhona emhlabeni, emoyeni ngangikhona as a Christian Satanist, ngangikhona nasemanzini la ngangiboshwe khona la kwakuphila khona kubanjwe imihlangano uSathane manomhlangano sobambela khona lenzansi emanzini. So and for those 13 years I was in that kingdom, saving the kingdom of darkness, saving the devil. Okunye esasukwenza ke not only to kuvimba noma ukudisturb the prayers of the Christian, the other thing that besiyenza ukuspreada because there is a department esibiza ukuthi is a department of destruction or the department yokugula emkhathini la kuphekwa khona izifo zonke ezikhona emhlabeni ozibona emhlabeni ziphekwa lapho noma zenziwa lapho noma isiphi isimo osibona isifo osibona emhlabeni
siyaphekwa
siyenziwa lapho. That's why even the COVID-19 or coronavirus 2003 2004 usathana washo ukuthi guys siyazi ukuthi the HIV AIDS izohamba ihluleke iphelele mamandla because they are abazalwane bathandaza and the more bathandaza kuzoba nama vaccine medication and everything ezokulwa nalesifo siphele. But there is another sifo esisiphekayo soza isifo leso very soon we are not sure when but yena actually befanele sisize ngo2010 because 2010 iwesikhathi se-World Cup and all those things befanele nge2010 but because manje angithi abazalwane bayathandaza and there are people who are praying faithfully so sa delay seza only ngo 2020 so lesifo leso sathana athi no ngendlela esifuna ngayo sifuna ukuceda more especially the biggest target was Africa because usathana uyazi ukuthi why Africa. Africa there is a word in the Bible that says zalana ninande nuncobe umhlaba or nuhlule and if you can check in Africa most of the families in Africa uthola mhlambe in one house C10 C12 C13 C5 iBhayibheli silifezile isincobile umhlaba so no we are going to start from Africa and we must wipe Africa that it was the plan of the enemy about the coronavirus so but unfortunately because the Christian they were praying but by that time Satan akakhonanga ukuthi isifo lesi se coronavirus sicithe umhlaba ngendlela Satan bekafuna ngayo because bazalwane they were praying so when we are praying we are powerful and when we are praying some of the things that are happening in the kingdom of darkness namandla ukuthi sizibusele emuva and as a Christian Satanist ke ngisakhuluma njalo okunye besikwenza is a deception that we plant in the churches. There is a spirit we call the spirit of deception. The spirit of deception is where now you go to the churches uchinche iqiniso lebalazilo ulenze lebe amanga because in the kingdom of darkness or as a Christian Satanist you are ufundiswa iBhayibheli. There are two Bibles which are there. The Brisio Celesti which is the Satanic Bible we are fundiswa nayo and also the Holy Bible which is the Bible of Jesus Christ so that you can able to compare them so mawufika ngapha then uyakhona ukuthi you must able to deceive ukhamba ke enkonzweni ke uhamba uswisa abo sisters batshela amanga sibathembisa imishado sibathembisa all these beautiful things ezikhona emhlabeni no I'm going to marry you but do not behind your heart ukuthi you just want to ufuna nje ukuthola lokho ufuna isex nothing else and then your sister awe enkonzweni because one of the things esasukwenza the agreement that I've made with the devil because embusweni kaSatan there's no way that you can get promotions or ungakhula ungenzi ama sacrifices not only sacrifice but the blood sacrifice. The blood sacrifice is so real in the kingdom of darkness. You must sacrifice. It's either you sacrifice your children, you sacrifice your father, you sacrifice your mother, you must sacrifice for you to get the promotions in the kingdom of darkness. So I sacrificed abantwana bami. I actually uma ngibala kahle befana mhlambe ngine mangiphilile ngabe mhlambe benginaba ngapha emhlabeni befana ngabe mhlambe ngina 60 abantwana but all of them they were sacrificed. Only one child who survived it was 2003 who survived when I was supposed to sacrifice a survivor waphila and abanye ke emchadweni sakhuluma nangayo leyo when we go there so but it was that is why I'm saying if usembusweni kaSathane sacrifice is something that you must do and every woman ohlangana naye uma ukhonza uSatan counter every woman. So because ukusacrifice kwami means if somebody we're pregnant, that person must do abortion for us to get the blood and to take that spirit of the child or the soul sees in the kingdom of darkness to create the demons. Or finally athole miscarriage. So most of the miscarriages so tholakale ibhedlela as not like ukuthanda kwalabo bazali noma abomama abathola ama miscarriages. So some of them they are influenced from the kingdom of darkness. So Satan ngendlela enza ngayo for them so that we can able to sacrifice or thola igazi because umusweni kaSathane igazi is everything. Umusweni kaSathane umiswa igazi, niphuza igazi, nidla igazi, everything is igazi. That is why uthole nasengozini zasendleleni kuplantwa ingozi ukuthi fanele kuwamabhasi kuwa imoto. Why? Because kunaba specializer we call it the bank blood, where if igazi liba lincane ufanele kube nabashonayo, ufanele kubulawo. Last time when I was doing this testimony to media, I explained ukuthi endleleni efana nabo Mhlanga roads, Moloto and Mhlanga road is where amabhasi sihamba sotshala lapho ukuthi amabhasi awe so khona ukuthola igazi silise embusweni kaSathane. So kungendlela leyo ke ngasacrifice ngayo. But okunye ngikukhohlwayo before sifika lapho actually saying ngicale ekugcineni before sifika lapho there was a church. I want to speak about this church, but even though sometimes I got a lot of attacks when I speak about the church, but let me speak about it anyway. The Universal Church, because mina ngizifunela imali, and I wonder if you are coming from a poor background. Money is everything. You want money, and ufuna ukuphumelela fast. So then when one of the good days mangisebenza khona le town ngihlangana ne-newspaper, and the newspaper say Universal Church. Ibhale ukuthi if you want to be rich, if you want to be free from financial struggles and bakubelethela okuhle nje banikeza nezithombe ukuthi ubani bekayihluphekela babeka isibhake ubeka umkhukhu ukuthi uphume emkhukhwini manje sakahlala ku mention because ujoinile ngapha noma usikhonza naye sisithandazana. Hayi nami one of the good days ngithatheke ngiye ngithi hayi ngifuna imali phela nami la ngiyacanga ukuthi imali ngizoyithola. Hayi mangifika lapho ke hayi cala nje ungena eminyango uthola isitsha nendwangu emhlophe ivasi lapha emhlophe ugeziswa izandla uthola umfundisi whoever acha uzabe alapha hayi kusuka manje ke inhlanhla zakho zivulekile onke amabhadi inhlupheko iphelile and nawe uza uthi hayi should ngifike endaweni right. Okay, fast forward it be December, because what December is whereby most of the sacrifices are done. So Universal Church benza this thing ebayibiza ukuthi is sacrifice, but they are not saying it's a blood sacrifice. They are saying it's a sacrifice. You must give a sacrifice so that your things they must come. But by letter as a form mali to say, but okay, bazalwane, we know ukuthi wenza i-pledge. If abafunela nge500 rand aphakamisa izandla uyaphakamisa. Abafunela nge200 rand like bakhuphuka njalo njalo. Abafunela nge5000 rand aphakamisa izandla, maybe uthola lapha sekusele 1 or 2. Ofunela nge10,000 rand, mina ngiphakamisa masebathi ofunela nge10,000 rand ngaphakamisa isandla. Athi ngiyaphakamisa nami like that. And by the time anginayo le mali leyo. But because ngifuna imali, but because you must give money to get money ngaphakamisa isandla. I think we were only 2. And then umfundisi inkonzo mayiphuma asibize 1 athi wozani officeini. Ye office manje officeini anginikele a sword. It's a plastic sword, but the sword that one of this sword sinikela yona. Uzobulala ngayo izitha zakho zonke ezihluphayo, uzobulala ngayo inhlupheko yakho ehluphayo. Uzobulala noma yini. Athi uzolala. Mawulala uzophupha. Noma yini ozobona oyibona ephupheni bulala. Ngaleso desinikezayo. Hayi ngilaleke ngibona inkukhu ngibulale, ngibone imbuzi or whatever ngibona ngibulale. mase kwesteering ngibona umama yabona so fanele ngithathe isodwa ngibulala ngithi no be asi agreement ukuthi vele ngiyabulala ngithi no this one I'm not going to do it mangwele nkosi mvuza athi okay is sibo because they can able to see spiritual ukuthi ubulele inani but azange ubulale ini remember the sacrifice isikhathini sakudala I'm not sure ukuthi inyanga zamanje sisakwenza lokho no isikhathi sakudala ufanele ujuba ikhanda lengane yakho umakho whoever uhambe nalo enyangeni bese then uthwale ngalo but now because is a new technology usathane who is very advanced awusabulali ngokuthi ubulala physically somebody uzovela ephupheni lakho you kill that person from your dream and that person maybe angabethwa heart attack afe physically or maybe agule nje kancane nje hamba esibhedlela ashona so but ubulale bani ubulawe nguwe even though wena zange umbulale physically spiritually you kill that person afa physically so that is the trick that they are using in the kingdom of darkness to say ba khuphukile nje ehlalweni ukuthi hayi because this thing ukuthi ubulala somebody physically khona uthi ungaboshwa and uyabona all those kind of things but mawubulala spiritually so meaning awumbambi lo muntu loyo umbone emaphupheni uyambulala and then uyafa physically and then imhlahla zakho ziyavuleka bayisebena zange I was supposed to sacrifice my mother ngathi no sathane la khona angenzi bangibele kuze mfundisi athi insizwa uhlulekile phela i-assignment yakho ihlulile and then ufanele ubulale lo item number 3 vele zange uyibulale so ngokwenza njalo it means ke wonke amabhadi yakhona emhlabeni yonke inhlupheko ekhona emhlabeni yakusale emuva uhamba nawo because uhlulekile athi noma yini oyicabangawo ehluphayo uma uthi uyahlupheka uhlupheka usazohlupheka because uhlulekile hayi manje nami sengithiwe ngithi ya phela manje hayi implantarile I was supposed to do that but no man ayithi ngiyekele hayi zange saphinde ngiyeke Universal Church that was my last time in Universal Church hamba nale ngcondo ukuthi bathi noma yini embi ekhona emhlabeni izokulandela konke nje ukucabanga kumbe kuzokusala emuva because uhluleke assignment then there was this other man inyanga yase Nigeria ubaba wathwala ngisakhumbula igama lakhe because sengiyabothi ngaba manje ngihlulekile befanele nginikele ngisacrifice ngahluleka ngathi okay le nyanga lekhuluma ngokuthi bakunikeza ama short boys or bakunikeza amagundwana akulethela imali hayi ngabe ngiconsult ngithe phela nyanga mina ngicayele isimo semali ngifuna amagundwana lethi imali or ama short boys athi no it's up to you if ufuna sicashise wona siyacashisa 3 weeks 2 weeks 4 months it depends ufuna how many millions siyokunikeza wona but manje mhlambe ufuna for 2 days nakhona sokunikeza wona it okay what are the instruction or the procedure no the procedure is very simple uconsulta nge600 rand bayithatha and then bakunikeza igazi bakunikeza nala magundana isponge nyana but uyabona ukuthi igundana lethi lenziwe ngendwangu bakunikeza 2 but okay after 7 days uzobuya uzothola further instruction but for now singela lamagundana lawo singeza negazi wafita igazi nempuphu uyabeka endaweni eminyama nje then after 7 days you come back so kutshela ukuthi fanele wenze hayi ngiwathathe ngihambe nawo ne 600 yakhe thathe ngihambe nawo thele igazi abangitshela la ngilithele igazi ngiwathelela igazi angazi ukuthi igazi lani but doctor wathi igazi so wathi ngambuza igazi wathi hayi don't worry don't ask ukuthi igazi lani wena thatha lokho sikutshela wona instruction uyenze njalo hayi 7 days ngibuyele kuyi 7 days athi okay assignment number 2 uhlala ngapha kweni kamera nje lenye limnyama ngiyocala ugeze somnikeza amanzi okugeza but sogeza ngegazi athi okay it's fine geza ngegazi because ngangisengitshela ukuthi abana manje or ngiyafa or ngiyaphila okwenzeka kwenzeke so cause akuyafana la le universal sengihlulekile nangapha sengizohluleka futhi ngathi hayi akwenzeke imali yona ngoba ngiyifuna okay angigeze ngegazi athi okay uyohlala kule room leli it's a very dark room ayina ifestela khona lincane nje but liyakhanya because ubona ukhanya from endleleni uma street lights uyakhona ukubona ukhanya lapho but yona kumnyama hlala athi okay ngo12 khona kuzokwenzeka and ema kwenzeka lo ngo12 ungathuki you must be a man, you must be a strong man because ufuna imali ngithi okay angifuni imali hayi kwenzeke hlala lapha ngihlele eminyameni kumnyama ngiwali ngihlele eminyama and ngihlele izini sithi umapona or umncunu you are naked
ugqokile
ugqokile uhleli nje lapha eminyameni
ngishi under
no akithi manje ugeza ngamanzi fanele ugeza umzimba wonke uhlubula ukhumula everything so uba mapuna then uyahlala athi okuzokwenzeka ugcina ube indoda once waphasa le assignment leyo then you are free to go izinto zakho ziyovuleka hayi ngihlaleke 12 ebusuku kuze ngathi ngene umoya but this fresh breeze le kuvuleka ifestele lelivalekile but ifestele lavuleka mangena kungena intombazana but intombazana le from la phezulu ukufika la intombazana ukuthoma la kuyenzansi inyoka very big snake ingene and she's beautiful intombazana khona hayi uyakhuluma akathi okay sesicala assignment iyaqala ke ngizokucala ngokukhothe from ukusuka ekhanda ukufika phansi but before ngicala ukukhotha wena fanele ukhotha amabele wami so na sengithuke nokuthiwa ngithi hayi yabona la vele ukuthi masengiyobaleke what if ingcondo yami what if ngimceda umkhotha lo muntu wangiginya or angibulala ngathi amara because sengiqalile angibona ukuthi kwenzakala hayi mkhothe mangiceda naye angikhothe ngkhothe bese then uyaphuma uyahamba inyanga le this guy abuya athi no your assignment is ready so now makhonto hamba nawo uyayikhaya la after 7 days ubuya kokugcina ke manje that's a final instruction sokunikeza yona but before that final instruction ufanele ukwenze manje le uthenga ibag you buy a bag whatever size uyifuna uyithenga because nangangwafune for 7 days amakhondlo noma iphi size uyifunayo in that bag it means yonke imali ekhona eSouth Africa uyifaka ngapho 20 rand uyifaka 50 rand uyifaka uyilahlela 100 rand uyifaka 200 rand uyifaka 5 rand uyifaka 2 rand uyifaka 1 rand uyifaka 50 cent uyifaka 20 cent 10 cent 5 cent usifaka ngapho kule bag la hlala khona amagundane lawe esinikeze wona and then what you need to do uphatha nje imali ozokuthola ichange ngayo mhlawumbe 800 rand hamba uyakuthenga maybe istore fana nabo Shoprite but uthenga in the afternoon lapha emase kuma customer amaningi kakhulu uya in the afternoon uyathenga nge 100 rand bakuneze change ile change ebuya enye imali lahla maybe ufaka 2 cent ngapho or whatever imali zakho ifaka uyifaka so athi indlela imali attract ngayo then after 7 days ngizoza soyivula nawe le mali leyo seyibala mina ngithatha only 10% the rest imali yakho but you must come after 7 days right ngakwenza ke lokho ke ngihambe ngiye estolo ngiphela imali encane ngiyathenga ngiyalahlela ma Shoprite bo Spar le itolo esiphithizela ko cash and carry ngiyalahlela nyana imali nyalapha because ngangifuna ukuthi imali ibe khona to my surprise after 7 days I went back there to say ngizoyithola inyanga mangifika lapha it was a house to let there was nobody
kuphi
la inyangeni bengekile
how
there was a house to let nobody nothing and then I was very worried
sivi isikhwama isikhwama sikuwe noma sikuwe
noma isikhwama sikimi uthi yena after 7 days uzoza sovula isikhwama mina naye imali engizabe ngitholile from that sikhwama leso uthatha 10% mina ngithatha the rest of the money so but to my surprise mangifika lapha the guy was not there hambile
sure
so but ngabona ukuthi kwakuyiplan kaNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu okuningi wayekuvimba wayengafuni ukuthi kwenzeke from the time
ngihlulela nyoku uyikothe mahala
Shuti ibag iguwe
ibag igimi yes
so that bag was meant masubuyela after 7 days bozobuyela nasenemali
no yena bakazosa not angikuyi ngiyakuye for 7 days for further instruction then uzoza sizovula ibag sonke
Should manivula melibe nemali.
fanele ibe nemali and fanele igcwale because lamagundane lawo vela fanele asebenze kakhulu
Mina ngifuna ukuthi njengoba sekanyamalele vele zange ngisagcwala ibag.
no bekuzange isagcwala kithi le mali bengilahlele ngapha ile mali engayithola ukuthi hayi so maybe I don't know ukuthi I failed the instruction ongenza kanjani I'm not sure that guy why abalekile but wabaleka wahamba ngafika ukuthola ku empty room mangifonela inamba yakhe ayisangeni ngathi wow so but I ngabona uNkulunkulu normal maybe uNkulunkulu angafuni ukuthi konke kwenze because cala from le bangiqala universal ukuthi ngifuna ukuba rich something happened uNkulunkulu wayivimba sengiza ngapha ngigijimisa imali uNkulunkulu wayivimba so kwakuyicebo noma kwakuumusa uNkulunkulu normal if ungangena lapha ngeke uphinde uphume so the guy was gone so now ngiselela amagundana ngistakile bese sengithuke unginikeza amagundana nawe ngwaphethe so sengistake now ngithi manje what I'm going to do with this gundwanes ngabona ukuthi hayi la
is a Mickey Mouse
yeah ngizowashisa ebusuku avuka phuke hayi ngawathatha ngawa emanzini lapho mose Bronx Plate ezasi lapha kune bridge or kunomfula nje uhamba ngalahlela imfula ngathi hayi la ndivela khona welani lapho hayi ngisanifula because remember if uthatha isithwalo noma uthatha something ubopha ngayo it means that thing is going to be there for the rest of your life eyakho ayisaphindi ihambe so mayihlupha idlala endlini eyakho fanele uyinakelele because uyithetha ngithi uhambe nayo so mina ngathi angifuni ukuyithatha but ngifuna ukuyihira like ngeyicasha ingisebenzele ngiyusele emuva so that guy wabaleka wahamba even today angimazi ukuthi washona kuphi so but fortunately enough akekho washona efamilini or akekho walimala because of lesithwalo lesensenzeka so but ngawalahla kaMakundwana ngawalahlela emanzini ngathi hayi lawo angisawafuni because usathane noma lo baba lo lenyanga lebefuna ukuthi angazi after 7 days bekuzokwenzakalani because that is a further instruction engizokunikeza after 7 days so angazi ukuthi kwakuyokwenzakalani so from that time then ke sengingapha ke embusweni kaSathane sengiyakhonza uma sikhuluma ngokuthi we are a Christian Satanist ne department esasirana I department yoku spread the HIV and AIDS the spread of HIV and AIDS is one of the departments that I was operating or we run so if you can go back noma if ungacheka leko early 2003 uzangapha bo 2010 HIV AIDS was still beyisashaya kakhulu bengadlali beyishaya nje kakhulu nokubhlungu ngalento leyo ukuthi ke okunye you must do it physically like kufanele uhambe ulale namantombazana so that's why ngithi mina mhlambe mangathi ngithatha incwadi ngiyabhala phansi ukuthi empilweni yami yonke how many girls engilele nabo I always cry ngithi Nkosi mara why wangiyekelela ngangena kulezi zinto zonke engizenzayo because sometimes you sleep with a person or HIV positive fanele ulale naye because wena umsebenzi wakho you are spreading you must sleep with that particular person I remember one of the good times or bad times if I can say there was this other lady beka prostitute ahlala eWheatbank omunye bakahlala ngapha eJoburg bebathengisa le Bronx Parade bathengisa khona kule ndawo yabathenga bayibiza ukuthi is OTK or NTK yeah something like that bebathengisela khona and bebaphila la ehotel because bebeza bazophuza la and mabathola ama customer or later on mabasebashapa hamba bayothengisa and those ladies ngagcina nabo ngilala nabo because akithi manje we are coming from the same kingdom lala nabo ngapha solala labo mahosha and mabangana ndawo yokulala bebezazolala lekimi le balale khona ehotel ngimaphinda ukulala so nabo bangipha free everything be free ngabhatali lutho so but it's not something which I am proud of I'm very like young hlukumeze emoyeni and yangithusa ukuthi kwakwenzeke njalo but kwakwenzekini because mase ungenile kuSathane akusekho ukuthusayo konke kuyazenzakalela and konke okwenzayo awusabi nevalo but why and okunye plus indaba yo HIV AIDS uhamba uspread HIV AIDS it was difficult because I thought maybe one of nami ngizothi mase ngiphumile lento yangibamba but I was still negative after some times even today I'm still negative so mara sasamba si spread and some of the people they dull retailer so bafile uyabangcwaba and wazi ukuthi you are the one owenzile ohambile wa spread that virus kibo wazi ashone angene phansi ethuneni so sasikwenza lokho and sasisetshenziswa uSathane it's not like sasithanda kwala sasebenzela uSathane embusweni wakhe kwenzeka lokho but uNkulunkulu wasiza that is why mangicala ngithe as preach uSathane kodwa si preach ukuthi uNkulunkulu usizile
wasibuya kuphi
nokuthi umbuso kaSathane ukhona uyaphila but sesiphumile ke lo mbuso loyo asawusebenzeli okunye ke ngicabanga ukuthi indaba yama prayers ngithashile nje kakhulu ukuthi ama prayers embusweni kaSathane ayabanjwa and if ungakhuleki kahle uyogcina izinto zakho zibanje ufisa ukuthi ngabe ngina 1 2 3 but akwenze why because ama prayers wakho abanjiwe in the kingdom of darkness so okunye ke engithanda ukusho kubaza bazalwane emthandazo asingawulahli asihlalene emkhulekweni kuwo konke okwenzeka la asihlalene emthandazweni because uma sithandaza uNkulunkulu uyakhona ukusivikela and uyakhona ukusiphephisa and ngaphezulu kwakho konke okwenzakalayo igazi lika Jesu linamandla amen
my brother
amen
ufuna ukuyibeka la noma
ngicabanga ukuthi yini okunye ngizange ngikhulume ngikhohlile
because questions kan well I think we think for ukiyazi mhlambe ukuthi uma cause angazi uma understand ngakuthola kahle nakho so ungenile ubwakhoza nje nama accident
okay
cause uke wakhuluma wathasha indaba ama accident
yeah ama accidents kufana nokuthi you go to the crossroads la kuhlangana khona indlela uyalapho bese then uyakhuluma ukuthi noma iphi imoto ezondlula kulomgwaco akube ne accident so because remember I spoke about demons to say you are given demons efanele uoperate now let's say maybe we are given 30,000 demons if uma ufika kule crossroad maybe uyekela 3 or 4 yama demons ninahlalana la yonke imoto ezondlula la please athekeni nikhona ukhosa ama accident wemabhasini uyaya uthumela umoya kaSathane or uthumela ama demon to say amabhasi awawe kube nengozi endleleni lokho bese kuyenzeka uthola manje ingozi endleleni seziba yiningi because somebody has go there afika athi kube nengozi endleleni fana indaba yama divorce nakhona is something which we were also doing in the kingdom of darkness ama divorce onke akhona eSouth Africa akhoswa embusweni kaSathane if uSathane afuna ukuthi kube khona ama divorce kuyakhulunywa for example uthatha for that particular day let's say maybe niku meeting naye uthatha somebody enimaziyo or famous let's say maybe that person sale more special aphela on TV or abafundisi ama celebrities if umuntu sale wa divorce lapha embusweni kaSathane kuvela isithombe sakhe so it means uSathane ukhuluma through yena uye lo khulumayo uSathane uyakhuluma but ubona isithombe sakhe ukuthi nangi lo muntu that person beka divorced so uma nimbona so seniyazi ukuthi okay sho ukuthi fanele siyokhuphula i-rate ama divorce i-rate ama divorce iphansi you must go back and khuphula i-rate ama divorce and if let's say maybe I don't know i-rate yama lesbian and gays and lesbians mo South Africa iphansi kuzovela isithombe saka Somizi nothi hayi na okay shothi namhlanje kufanele siyokhuphula i-rate yama gay and lesbians umoya lo
i-rate yama lesbian and gays when are you straight how do you do it
yeah umoya like this it means lo moya ezabe no release we encourage or drag these people to say uvele uyithande lento the manish wazi ngiyafisa ukuthi ngalala nenye indoda uyindoda or ngabe umama ulale nomunye umama uyayithanda because lo moya osongene kuwe so asese uwe the spirit now is operating in you but kuzisithombe sasambuleni emaziyo nimjwayele oyilento leyo, then niyazi ukuthi hayi fanele manje ama-rate wama-divorce akhuphuke, ama-rate wama-gay and lesbians fanele akhuphuke, because konke lokwenzeka emhlabeni, everything webona emhlabeni there is a spirit behind. Akwenzeki kuphela, kwenzeka ngoba kukhona umoya kaSathane oyiphushayo lento leyo. And if abazalwane asithandazi, impela sizenkingeni enkulu.
Sure.
Uma ngeke sithandaze, we are in a big problem, because umhlaba esesiphila kiyo uSathane that is why uma ubheka emhlabeni esiphila kiyo manje inkolo yokukholwa nokuphilela uNkulunkulu ibalekile ebandleni. uSathane ufuna ukuthi siphile ngendlela yena afuna ngayo. Evesini 1 of chapter 2 in the Satanic Bible, verse number 3, ikhuluma ngokuthi if you are a person in this life, you must indulge rather than abstaining. So if maybe nguwe brother Chris ufisa ukuthi ube amantombazana ayi-20 at the go, you are welcome to do so, you must do it. If I am a sister, I want to date 10 brothers, you must do it. There's no problem. Into epushwa emusweni kaSathane. If maybe ufuna ukuba nemakhasheni abayi-3-4, ungumama ungubaba, uSathane uya-interact iyenze, you must do it. That is why uthola ukuthi kukhona abobaba banabo makhasheni, abomama banabo makhasheni, insizwa neyintombi esingasaphila ubungcwele, because uSathane uthi you must indulge, don't abstain, you must do it. Mawufana mhlawumbe ukuthi ufuna uhamba uye tavern uphuze yonke imali yakho for that particular day, you go there, you drink your money, we are encouraged, phuze imali yakho icede, you must indulge, don't abstain. Whereas iBhayibheli lithi fanele sizigcine ukufika singene emshadweni. USathane uthi never, asikwenzeni, sikwenzisise. One of the verses esithola embusweni kaSathane. And these days this other kunama verse akhuluma, actually ngibona abo pastor abaningi bayikhuluma le ndaba yama verse ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyobulalayo, uSathane akabulali, uNkulunkulu uyobulalayo. From the Old Testament uNkulunkulu wayebulala, wayepha amandla uIsrael abulala. And told to pastor now they are speaking negatively about what happened in the Old Testament to say uNkulunkulu uyabulala. That one is also found in the Satanic Bible to say uSathane athi mina ngiclean.
How?
Athi show me one person obulalwe ngimi in the Bible. And there's nobody who can find obulalwe uSathane. One person, athi just show me one person eBhayibhelini, the whole Bible from Genesis to Revelation, athi lo bathi obulalwe uSathane. And they will quote two verses to say la uNkulunkulu lithi iBhayibheli uNkulunkulu wathi Israel hambani osahlela amaleke nowabulale, bulala lamaFilisti, bulala inathi uNkulunkulu yena obulala mina ngibulala. So and afundisa abantu mayise bayithethe lento bayenze iverse say uNkulunkulu. I was watching this other pastor from I think it's YouTube or whatever, I'm not sure, akusakhumbula kahle athi no, when I go to heaven ufuna ukubuza uNkulunkulu ukuthi why wawubulala abantu wena uNkulunkulu beyosunga uNkulunkulu oyingcwele, why wawubulala, why wasekela sihlupheka. So that is it's a spirit,
yeah.
And is coming from the kingdom of darkness, or is from the Satanic Bible, all those kind of verses.
There is a Satanic Bible.
There is a Satanic Bible. One of the good days I will come with the Bible, maybe we touch few chapters uSathane uthini in that Bible yakhe. I will bring some verses. Amen.
So on yeah.
When you call this on to, like, is there a physical church? Corner, like the devil worshippers.
Yeah, there is a physical church, and like South Africa, let's say Cape Town, and then other countries. But in South Africa, they call it Cape Town. But it is a church of Satan.
It's like Durham.
I'm not sure about Josie, but back then it was not there. When I was still in the kingdom of darkness, it was only in Cape Town.
Oh.
Because manje is 2025. I'm not sure what is seba develop kangakanani seba kuphi, but it was in Cape Town.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I think you just laid the background. So I think even at home, those who have questions, they're allowed to ask. We'll continue on part 2.
Amen.
Because I think this is just the beginning. It's very deep.
Amen.
Yeah, no, brother. We really appreciate your time. Mr. Williams. So we really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for coming to the show, and shout out to Kota Tumidi for bringing you here. Thank you so much. Highly appreciate it. James, are we out or what? See, if you want part 2, what must I say?
Part two. Gonna get it.
Yeah, we hope Pastor Uzosheshabu.
Amen.
Yeah. Siyabonga for this. We out.